Dear teacher of the scientific project, in this video I am going to talk about some topics that we have seen during this month. I will also explain how to have a nutrition plan and healthy life. In the first week, we saw about chronic kidney failure in children. We saw that it can occur since it is in the mother's womb or since the child is approximately 5 to 7 years old. Chronic kidney failure in children is due to having a poor diet or pregnancy failures, which cause kidney problems in children such as chronic kidney failure. In the following week, we saw about the renal system. The renal system is made up of renal veins, renal glands, arteries, kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. These are very important since they are in charge of regulating the pH of the body. Also, they perform cleaning, chemical balancing of the blood, and hormone production. We also saw about the importance of the nephron. The nephron is the most important part of the kidney because it is in charge of filtering and purifying the blood that is full of toxins. It passes all the toxins of the body through a capsule which filters and purifies toxins and expels them through urine. The next week, we saw about kidney failure. Kidney failure is when the kidneys begin to default due to having a poor diet or kidney problems begin to develop, like nephritis, which is when there is blood in our urine. Also, and the most common, are kidney stones. Stones, they are crystallized solids that form in the kidney and cause very great pain. These stones can be expelled through the urine, but if it could not be expelled through the urine, they have to be removed through surgery. Some things that can cause kidney failure is when a person has diabetes or suffers from blood pressure, or also when they ingest drugs or alcohol. There is no cure for kidney failure, but this can be controlled through a kidney transplant, also through peritoneal dialysis or hemofiltration. And the last week, we observed about cellular transport. Cellular transport is divided into endocytosis and exocytosis. Endocytosis is a mechanism is which cells ingest molecules. They divide into three parts: phagocytosis, receptor-mediated endocytosis, and pinocytosis. And exocytosis is a process by which relatively large molecules are expelled. This is divided into constitutive and regulated. It is produced mainly by the Golgi apparatus. Now I am going to tell you about a nutritional plan in which it will help us control our food in order to prevent our kidney system from collapsing and also prevent many diseases and thus be able to have a healthy life. In order to have a healthy breakfast, you must consume food of high nutritional quality such as protein source, fatty acids, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They can be food such as whole grains, natural juice, fruits, smoothies, nuts, etc. It's not necessary to consume carbohydrates at breakfast because they cause sugar epics and makes us hungry again in short time. During lunch, you must consume food such as vegetables, fruit, whole grains, meat, fish. You can also have organic source of food. Our dish must be made of our vegetables, of fruit, whole grains, lean fish, or meat. And remember that you must eat fish twice a week. And finally, during the night, it is advisable to eat something like whole grain, yogurt, cereal, fruit, white bread, among others. Remember that it's very important to drink 2 liters of water a day since drinking water kidney system has a better functioning. Thanks for your attention.